Today, the modern Office of Finance is expected to not only perform operational duties, including a timely financial close, performing and managing process controls, and providing accurate reporting, but now they are also required to play a more strategic role in the business. This increases the need to access data from multiple sources to provide critical insights. This can all be driven through a technology-enabled solution. Cadency by Trintech provides a best-in-class cloud R2R solution, and now with the addition of the Cadency Data-as-a-Service offering, Cadency customers can access business-critical record-to-report data on demand and use any business intelligence tool such as PowerBI, Tableau, and others for data insights that empower more educated business decisions. Cadency DaaS uniquely addresses the needs of finance and IT stakeholders. It provides business-critical R2R data in real time via a cloud-based data warehouse platform that can be readily utilized by Cadency customers' preferred business intelligence tool already being leveraged in the organization. Customers can combine multiple data sources to build a data lake, enabling advanced analytics and data-driven business decision-making. And it makes accessing, managing, and leveraging data easy, secure, and cost-effective with high accuracy and configurable controls. With Cadency DaaS, finance and accounting teams can spend their valuable time conducting actual analysis that helps improve business performance instead of worrying about data gathering, data cleanup, and data accuracy. If you would like to find out how Cadency DaaS can help your Office of Finance, contact us today.